Tired of paying full price? Let's unlock some AT&T savings with working promo codes right now. First, fire up your web browser and head to a trusted coupon site like Retailminute. These sites aggregate tons of active promo codes from across the web. Once you're on Retailminute, use the search bar and type in AT&T. This will filter the results to show only deals and promo codes relevant to AT&T services. Now, browse through the list of available promo codes. Pay close attention to the expiration dates and any specific terms and conditions. Found a code that looks promising? Click on it to reveal the full promo code. Some deals will automatically apply when you click through. Carefully copy the promo code. You can usually click a button to easily copy it to your clipboard. Next, head back to the AT&T website where you're making your purchase. Proceed to the checkout page. Look for a designated promo code or discount code box on the checkout page. It's usually near the total amount. Paste the promo code you copied into the box and click the Apply button. Make sure there are no spaces before or after the code. If the code is valid, you should see the total amount update with the discount applied. If it doesn't work, double-check the terms and conditions and try another code. And that's it. Enjoy your savings and be sure to check these sites regularly for even more AT&T promo codes.